How to access Hulu in virtual reality. Step number 1. Verify device compatibility. Ensure your VR head is compatible with the Hulu VR app. As of right now, Hulu supports VR on Oculus Rift and Samsung Gear VR. Step number 2. Install the Hulu VR app. For Oculus Rift, open the Oculus app on your PC. Navigate to the Oculus Store and search for Hulu. Download and install the Hulu VR app. For Samsung Gear VR, connect your Samsung Galaxy smartphone to the Gear VR headset. Open the Oculus app on your phone, search for Hulu in the Oculus Store, download and install the Hulu VR app. Step number 3, launch the Hulu VR app. Put on your VR headset. Navigate to the Hulu VR app within your VR environment. Step number 4, log into your Hulu account. Enter your Hulu username and password. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Step number 5, start streaming. Browse through Hulu's content library. Select the show or movie you wish to watch. Enjoy streaming in a virtual environment. Note, Hulu's VR app offers immersive viewing experiences including 360-degree content and virtual environments. However, support for VR platforms has been limited, with Hulu discontinuing its VR app on several devices.